Myself K. Pravalika. My dish number 212H1A3072. Today I am discussing about frequent patterns. Frequent patterns are patterns. Example, item sets, subsequence or substructures that appear frequently in a data set. For example, a set of items such as milk and bread that appear frequently together in a transaction data set is a frequent item set. A subsequence such as buying first a PC, then a digital camera and then memory card. If substructure can refer to different structural forms such as subgraphs, subtrees or sublattice, which may be combined with item sets or subsequence. If a substructure occurs frequently, it is called a frequent structure pattern. Finding frequent patterns play an essential role in mining association, correlations, and many other interesting relationships among them. Market-based analysis, a motivating example. A typical example of frequent item set mining is market basket analysis. This process analyzes customer buying habits by finding associations between the different items that customer place in their shopping baskets. The discovery of this association can help retailers develop marketing strategies by gaining insight into which items are frequently purchased together by customers. For instance, if customers are buying milk, how likely that they to also buy bread and what kind of bread on the same trip to the supermarket. This information can lead to increased sales by helping retailers do selective marketing and plan their shelf base. Observe this figure. Which groups or sets of items are customers likely to purchase on a given trip to the store? To answer your question, market basket analysis may be performed on the retail data customer transactions at your store. We can then use the results to plan marketing or advertising strategies or in design of a new category. Patterns can be represented in the form of association rules. For example, the information that customers who purchase computers also tend to buy antivirus software at the same time is represented in the following association rule. Computer equal to antivirus software support 2%, confidence 60%. Rule support and confidence are two measures of rule interest. They respectively reflect the usefulness and certainty of discovered rules. A support of 2% for above rule means that 2% of all the transactions under analysis show the computer and antivirus software are purchased together. A confidence of 60% means that 60% of the customers who purchased a computer also bought the software. Typically, association rules are considered interesting if they satisfy both a minimum support threshold and minimum confidence threshold. These thresholds can be set by users or domain experts. Frequent item sets, closure item sets, and association rule. Support A belongs to B equal to P A union B. Confidence A belongs to B equal to P B by A. Rules that satisfy both a minimum supported threshold and a minimum confidence threshold called strong. A set of items is referred to an item set. An item set contains k items in a k item set. The set of computer antivirus software is 2 item set. The occurrence frequency of an item set is the number of transactions that contain the item set. This is also known simply as the frequent support count or count of the item set. Confidence A belongs to B equal to P B by A equal to support A union B by support A equal to support and count A union B by support count A. In general, association rule mining can be viewed as two-step process. First step, find all frequent item sets. By definition, each of these item sets will occur at least as frequently as a predetermined minimum support. Count minimum support. Generate strong association rule from the frequent item sets. By definition, these rules must satisfy of minimum support and minimum confidence. Compact representation of frequent item sets. An item set X is closed in a data set D if there exists no proper super item set Y such that Y has the same support and X in D. An item set X is a closed frequent item set in set D if X is both closed and frequent in D. An item set X is a maximal frequent item set or max item set in a data set D. If X is a frequent and there exists no super item set Y such that X, Y and Y in frequent D. Thank you.